Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be drawing an American Girl doll. So let's get started. Oh no, what did I have drawn? What did I draw? Oh no. So I think I have to do a new. Okay. So first up, let's just draw her. Just gonna zoom in. Okay, then let's do eyes. Okay, so just gotta do the same thing, nothing changing. Okay. Okay, and for the done. Okay, now for her hair, I think. Turn here like this. Okay, maybe like here. Okay, I think that's nice. Then much better, and then maybe like this, and then I'm gonna then I think just gotta do this also. A little bit done, and then how's this one here, this one here, this one here. Okay, I think that's nice. Okay, now like this, and then sorry about that. So I'm not doing a mermaid. This is just what she had. The thing is, and then this. Okay, and then I think I'm just gonna go to her. Nice, and then okay. I think that's nice. Maybe like this. Okay. And then maybe like this. This is an American doll. I think it's just like this. Okay. And then I just gotta go in and finish up this. Okay, so I think we done that part. Now it's just the legs. I'm gonna do like this and like this. They're done, so okay. So that's the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching our channel. My channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below what else do you want me to draw? American doll, whatsoever. So bye.